Marathon race mate Nokbe Kekat ajaimek kepaman pon. Ada por phai baji trok malom hinchong club atum pen cepatir pi ponsi in loving memory of led red lo terang lapen led kachelek happy atum amen pen Nokbe Kekat mate marathon race ajaimek kepaman pon. Sonsi DDS Road Lokhijan RRC Bright Pen Hanjang Langso atowar krong thom kachekok adaksi bangso kekat kacepate pon. Adon thu bangso ajaimek along aluhisar poman pen assistant professor Dilip Kumar lekhe lapen Chandra terang atumsi ingkupon. Anpart anong ekipaji ramaya long aluhisar poman pen assistant professor Dilip Kumar lekhe Chandra Singh terang Klengdun terang Maipu Hanjang Langso Press Club Rupsing Rongpi social worker Rajen Rongpi anparta manpeng kedo kethe keding atum chetong dun. Lapen bangso kekat kecepate along swallow pen winner cepalong pon lake Miss Sanglir Teron P 1 runner up Miss Kajil Teron P second runner up Miss Milmili Kramsapi. Lapen aduntu supin sopen winner cepalong pon lake Sri Harmon Timung 1 runner up Sri Soning T second runner up Sri Arjun Chetri kangte non birtang ton pen lang ponikha.
Party Togo is being presented to her. And also a silver medal. As well as the now she will be felicitated with a Barbie as well as a gold medal. A Japi is also to be presented to her. A trophy as well as a prize money and certificate. As well as a certificate and a prize money. Category. So a Barbie photo is being presented to him as well as a certificate and a cash prize. Congratulations to him. Under 15. And he is being presented with a Barbie photo as well as a certificate and cash prize. Congratulations to him. For him as well as a certificate and a cash prize. So he is being felicitated with a Barbie Poho as well as a certificate and a second of love cash prize. Felicitated with a Barbie Poho and a cash prize as well as a certificate. A very big congratulations to him for securing the fourth position. Barbie Poho as well as a bronze medal. Along with a certificate and a cash prize. Now we will be felicitated with a Barbie Pohu, along with a silver medal, a cash prize and certificate. A Japi is being also presented to him. And also a gold medal. Along with trophy, certificate and cash prize. A very big congratulations to him. A very big congratulations to Harmon Timu. Now I would like to call upon all the top 10 holders to please come over.
नीली मैन के संग में तेरन पी लपेन नीली के दिफु पेन सिके बांग तुमी सिके बांग अपनी अदा पार्टिसिपेंट फन लपेन नीली पायामेन के काजर रोहांग पी लपेन नीली पोमेन के कैंसिंग तेरन lapen nili coachman ke pokheleng tipi lapen Mongol Singh ti इनके सिकारिंग ही लापेन नि दाग दिफु एथलेटिक्स एकेडमी में से प्रैक्टिस कर रही थी I'm feeling very good, and before the race I feel very excited because this was my first time marathon race in Hanjan Langso, and I feel very immense and really feel proud to be a Karbi, to win this game, and I feel very excited also.
To whom you want to give this credit? That means
First of all, I give this credit to all my parents, first of all, and then secondly was my coaches, which supported me in every passage of my life, in studies, in practice also, and in diet, and in every financial problems also they supported me very good, and as well as in my studies also they very focused on my studies, and in this year I passed out my HS second year, and I secured first positions and first letters in the economic subject, and I feel like without them I was incomplete, and I could not achieve this success in my life, and every success that I achieved in my life was ghosted or dedicated to my coaches and my parents also. Means I want to express my love and my gratitude to all my coaches, because my parents was my second priority. My first priority was my coaches, which supported me in every problems and give me a solutions and give.
any message you want to give for entire Caribbean?
Yes.
Any message you want to give entire Caribbean?
I want to give message to the youth, because today's generation was like that. People think that study is everything, but I think studies is not all that. Sports also a very good opportunity to the youth, because we are the Karbis, we are the tribals. We have the strength to fight against every problems and every just struggles. So I want to suggest to all the youths that you may come to the stadium, to the ground in every mornings and evenings and do practice and achieve.
Tuman pen dak pini laso hari marathon race along dak alangli hingchong club atum sila so hari kiba marathon race kibipon lo si laso marathon race kibipon alamang gelahelo je pini nilini kachelek tepi lapen nili lok retlo terang alang litum amen pensila so marathon race big lo nasi laso marathon kibipo na mutu bang pu alangli manehri alangli asupur nang thanik po sitamenili jongjung pen bangke kachinidun ke matha bangke la helo je la marathon race jongsi bi iglo pulote ilitum uwi mitu non kithe kiding atum non mane non son na master games along ka khela dun tum an sitamedo lapen ilitum akhe aphan bage mane la game and sport ai hin na pen mane kangthur ponji paching thur ponji aphansi mane alang litum bi poniglo nili ning sampik lo non nili phan pini ladak chief guest ason nili phan dak na manghangiklo lasi nili hin pen alang litum phan ansu se mane here laso hingchong club aphan sitame ansu se chithe papa ding ignang personally arnama hirjumi np glo lapen non adak do ana wi an alangli tumlong kachirab do na tumhan an sitame nili ning sam ulo lapen iprang sitame lason thot si mane anutina tum sitame mane rila ilitum karbi anglong do ana wi anarisu ejang tumhan sitame ansu se mane kapurhi ahin badet pen sitame hai la game and sport ahin pen sitame alang litumpan ingthur ponik po alang litumpan mane ladak heri Karbi Anglong lapen state level lapen heri national level lapen international levels an pan sitame dak pen kang thur ponji pu nili laso adim long isia platform nili thek panik long lo lasi pini ladak alang litumpan ka organize panili churoi lo lapen nang litum media dumpan churoi lo kardong